Back up. We're not sure how good this is going to go, but it's going to be funny. Watch his back so he doesn't run into that tree. Good thing you got four-wheel drive.
Put in four-wheel?
Yeah, it'd be smart.
My tailgate down?
Yeah.
Put it up.
Richard's in the back. Huh? If you pay, put it in four-wheel. So you'll be at least able to get up on top of that first. You going up on the tires?
Yep. Oh, well that was lame.
I'd say just take the sticks. Alright, back up. You were carrying one with you. You're good, man. You can keep going.
Where am I going, though?
You're just going to go right over. You just, like, totally screwed up all those... Hey, dude, that's awesome. Alright, you got another one coming right here. Turn your wheel my way. Alright, you're pushing this one. You're not going to be able to get over that one. Alright, now, hey. Turn your wheel my way and give it hell. Back up a little bit, go again. He said, hold on. This is how you get in the truck from the back. You got a good size one in front of you, don't you? Just hit it. Punch it, jump the thing. Are you gonna try this? Hold on, wait, let me get... You're probably on that back one again. Alright, back up, back up. Too much, too much. Alright, you're not going to be able to get that one.
I think. Back up, so. I got the wheel.
We got 14 seconds left to make it.